In the ridiculously effective parenting training and in the thousands of videos found on the various websites, reallove.com, realloveparents.com, there is so much instruction about loving and teaching. It could seem intimidating. But if we just do what we learn, as we learn it, faltering step by step, making untold mistakes, we see magnificent results. Let me share a note from a father who is experienced with studying the parenting training. He says, I spent some time reflecting on the past year. So much to be grateful for, especially to have so much guidance in being a real father for my kids. Without it, I would have flailed around like a drowning person, like all the dads I know personally, all of them. And I said to the father, yes, there is a lot of guidance out there, but what's remarkable is you. You have been so willing to learn instead of defending yourself or ignoring the problems that are developing at your feet and all around you. You are a rare man. The father continued, whenever 5-year-old Luna is excited about something, she says, do you know how excited I am? I'm more excited than how big God is. Dad says, every night when I put the kids to sleep, the last thing I say to them is, I love you more than all the sand in the, and the kids say, sea, and stars in the sky. Papa loves you and Mama loves you and God loves me. Those are the things that they say in response to what he says. There are many things kids love, but I can tell you 3 that are consistent. They want order, safety, and predictability. And they also want fun. That's another one. And you just incorporated all of that in a single ritual. That's great parenting. Dad says, Luna, my daughter, is an energy princess. So much energy. We live on the 8th floor, and she chooses to run up the stairs every time. No elevator for this kid. She's curious and sensitive. She's timid at first, trying to understand how things work, but then she's confident and bold. She thrives in each of her classes. What a privilege to love and teach such a soul, I said to Dad. He continues, 3-year-old Leo is a preciously weird kid. He eats his pizza vertically from the top down. He always wears his shoes on the wrong foot. His favorite color is white. He loves orderliness. He likes to participate on the periphery, watching at first. He likes things slow and manageable, all quite different from his sister. And I said, crazy how different they all are. And your job? Accept their difference, which you do, while exposing them to new things, to see what they like and what they can learn. Sometimes, even if they don't want to learn a thing, it's your responsibility to expose them to things. But most parents just try to force kids to conform to their expectations, which you don't do. Dad said, oh, and all this became possible only as we first eliminated, this is an important thing for everybody to hear, as we first eliminated whining and anger and teasing from our family. First in ourselves as parents. I would not have believed that being a father could be this fun. It's more than I could ever have wished for. End quote. What one father can do, the rest of us can begin to learn. Go to realloveparents.com and begin the learning.